Hearing? Please pay attention, especially you. So yesterday we agreed that if you have the integral of, say, f prime of ax plus b, this function is in terms of ax plus b, the x, of course, it will give you f of x, right? If you integrate f prime of x, then instead of a differentiation where you multiply by the derivative of this linear function, here you divide by the derivative of the linear function. That's the whole idea we are trying to use in problem solving here. Okay, so the first thing is to write it properly. Let me use that word. So this will be the integral of, yes, 10, 1 minus 5x raised to power what? Negative r. Okay? And we all know that 10 is a constant, so 10 is out of the problem. So it's going to be, yes, together, 10, what? Negative 1?
Integral.
Integral. No. We can do it straight. No need to write that again. 10 times what? Bracket.
Minus 5x.
Take it one by one. Write the stuff first. Minus half plus 1. Minus half plus 1. Then, instead of times the stuff, 1 over derivative of this, negative 5 before you plus c. Okay? Are you lost? No? You sure?
Yes, I get it.
Are you sure you get it?
Yes, because that's the...
Okay. So this will be 10, 1 minus 5x to power half this time. This is also power half. 1 over negative 5 plus c. So this is 2. Then with this half you get 4. Agree? So that will be 4, negative 4 now. Is it okay? Then this is square roots. If you have to do it the normal way, this is what I will expect you to do. For this question, because this is linear, okay? Because this is linear, you can let 1 minus 5x be u. Okay? Then du dx is what? Negative 5. So if you make dx the subject, so dx comes here, negative 5 comes here, so dx is equal to negative du over 5, right? So this would have been the integral of 10 divided by square root of u du over negative 5. And that produces minus 2. Minus 2 integral u minus half du. Agree? Agree? Understand? So, minus 2 times u raised to power minus half plus 1, which is exactly what we did here. Minus half plus 1, then plus c. Okay? And that would be minus 2 u raised to power plus half divided by plus half plus c. Okay? And that gives us negative 4 square root of u plus c, negative 4 square root of 1 minus 5x plus c. Okay? So, again, let's go over it. You treat it as one variable. That's always what we do in differentiation. The only difference is, while you perform the simple rule of integration, you are still going to end up dividing by the derivative of the bracket. Unlike differentiation, after you perform the simple rules of differentiation, you multiply by the derivative of the bracket. That's the whole purpose of f of ax plus b questions. So let's look at the second one together. If you have to do this normally, 3 escapes, you integrate the exponential, but exponential is not just exponential x, you divide by the derivative. So what do we have together now? 3 exponential
5x minus 2
over
5.
5. Let's see. That's it. Okay? This one, two different integrals, yes? Two different integrals.
Integral of
So integral of this should be a limit problem. If we can get 2 at the top.
oh, you can just do 2 times 2 over 2x plus 1. Right?
If you do 2x plus 1 raised to the power minus 1, you had 1, you had 1. What do you have?
0.
So that's how you know it's a limit problem. Check your note from yesterday. Integral of f prime of x divided by f of x dx equals what? Natural log of absolute value of this plus c. Remember this? So once you see that, try to get 2 here. So I will split it as follows. Can you see? Can you see? Because I need a 2 there, which is derivative of the denominator. Okay? So clearly, this is where you use this. You don't need it here. Okay? So this would be what? Exponential
From
negative x over negative 1. This is where you use that rule, not here. And this will be minus 2. Natural log. Yes?
2x.
Absolute value of 2x plus 1 plus c. So finally, minus exponential minus x minus 2, natural log of that plus c. Any questions? Let's try. So I just wanted to make sure we do some together. So can I ask you to try within the next 10 minutes, question, let's start from the first page. Question 1, question 3, question 5, 1, 3, 5. Then on the second page, try question 10 and 12. 5 questions. Have you marked them? 1, 3, 5, odd numbers. On the second page, 10 and 12, even numbers. Can I ask you to do that within the next 5 to 10 minutes before we go to particular values? Collaborate, of course. Check your answer with someone beside you, but everybody, 1, 3, 5, then 10 and 12. Okay? Venna, we can stop for now so that we don't